Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check your Gmail account password in mobile. So let's start by opening the mobile settings, and you have to scroll all the way down and search for Google. Now you have to click on Google. Now over here you have to select the account that has saved passwords for you. In this case I'm selecting this account. Now click on autofill. Now click on autofill with Google, and now passwords. And here, as you can see, I got the passwords of many websites including Google too. Click on google.com, write down your PIN, and here, as you can see, I have many passwords of my account. So this is how you check your Gmail account password on mobile. I hope this video helped you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.